Is your 2021-2024 Toyota Sienna key fob not working reliably? A dead or weak battery is the most common culprit. Dealerships charge $50 to $100 for this simple fix, but you can easily do it yourself in minutes and save money. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. The Toyota Sienna key fob for 2021-2024 models uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is the standard key fob design for these model years. The battery is a CR22 3-volt lithium coin type, commonly available at stores. Here are the technical specifications for the CR2032 battery. You can find these batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers like Amazon or Walmart for around $2 to $5. Make sure to buy a fresh battery for optimal performance and avoid cheaper batteries. Before you begin, gather these essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver or jeweler's screwdriver set, your new CR2032 battery, and optionally a Phillips head screwdriver for certain models. Having a soft cloth can also prevent scratches on the fob. To open the key fob, first locate the small notch on the edge of the key fob near the key blade. Insert your flathead screwdriver into the notch and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to apply too much force. For 2021-2023 models, there might be a small Phillips head screw holding the fob together. Remove it first. The 2024 models may have a snap-fit design. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use the screwdriver to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, ensuring it sits flush in the compartment. Avoid touching the battery contacts with your fingers. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. If there was a screw, replace and tighten it. Once reassembled, test the fob by pressing the lock, unlock, and panic buttons from a short distance away from your Sienna. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, first double-check that the battery is installed correctly, with the positive side facing up and that it's a fresh CR2032. Test the fob within 10 feet of your Sienna to rule out distance issues. In rare cases, the fob may need reprogramming. Press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds. You should see the vehicle lights flash or hear a confirmation beep. If reprogramming doesn't work, check for water damage or manufacturing defects from the 2025 recall. Consult your Toyota owner's manual or visit a dealership for professional assistance. Now for some important tips and future trends related to your Toyota Sienna key fob battery. Always dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center to protect the environment. To extend battery life, avoid exposing your key fob to extreme temperatures or moisture. Keep an eye on future trends. Toyota plans wireless charging for key fobs and battery-free fobs using NFC technology. Some 2024 models have improved water resistance.